sir.
Thank you, thank you.
And sir, I know you've been visiting to Hyderabad for your shoots, and you must be having some memories. I just wanted to know, whenever you come to Hyderabad, some clicks or some sparks comes when you're going for Hyderabad, some old memories refresh yourself.
Yes, I mean, I've been coming to Hyderabad since the 80s. So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nehru Saab. A lot of people from here, and I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay. So how this journey is starting, this Telugu cinema, and now, पहले Bollywood का pressure था, अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, how your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था, the passion, the drive, मतलब they wanted to make the best. That is what I love about working here in the South. I mean, क्योंकि that mass, that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है. And it's the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie, we can have it, because we loved your that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean, dialogue or something, or a Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का. We'd love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक.
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने promo देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How it's going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making you eat? Because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, would you like to answer? Yes. So we have seen you as a fitness freak, and Baba to we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years, Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Das with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me to do calf raises in the bathroom. I still remember this. I don't know if you remember this, but I remember this. He says the easiest and the quickest, because we do the whole, when we are training, we always neglect the calves. So the legs will look fat, but then the calves are not worked out. So he told me the trick, and I practice it even today. They say that your calves are your second heart, and the more you can do calf raises, the better it is for you. So now when I'm in the bathroom, as and when I remember, I do my calf raises. 2 sets calf raises I do in the bathroom. That's thanks to Sanju.
Yeah. Sanju ji, question to you. You just now spoke about Raja Saab. I have been on the set of Raja Saab, that devilish kind of that place where you all have this Jadoo Mantar and everything. So when you are shooting, this is again a new character, that is a different character. So what you take back home from Telangana?
As I told you, I mean, I take back the passion which Bollywood has lost. and I hope it comes back. You know, and that's what I miss back home is a passion to make a good film. You know, it's not about numbers. Everything is about numbers back in Bollywood, but I mean, it's not about numbers. It's about passion.
शी टोल्ड अबाउट द काव्स. ऐसे कौन सा वर्कआउट है जो आप ऑडियंस से भी शेयर करना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहना
बाथरूम में नहीं, बाहर.
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि 70% is your diet and 30% is what you do in the gym. तो अपना खाना आप सही रखेंगे तो सब सही हो जाएगा.
Reshma, my question to you. Yeah, Reshma ji, my question is, working with all the fantastic actors and a wonderful director and producer, how lucky you feel, how happy you feel?
Oh, I feel very happy. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే with Prem sir, it's my second film. Sir launched me. So in Eklavya, first, whatever acting I know now, it is because of Sir. So with him, it's always a learning lesson for me. But I never imagined that I would get a chance to work with Sanjay Dutt sir and Shilpa Shetty ma'am. And there is also many more casts, big casts. As you can see in the teaser, we have Ramesh Arvind sir, we have Ravi Chandran sir. So it's a big cast, and just watching them act and just observing them, I get to take a lot from them. So it's been an amazing learning journey, I would say.
ధ్రువ గారు, బట్ ఐ ఇడియట్ లైట్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్. ఓకే.
But we want Prem sir also to say something, you know, his first interaction and convincing them, you know, during the shot. He's looking a little bit more nervous. He's the captain of the ship.
No, madam, I don't nervous because I know the script. I know how to make. That's why I know very well. So God grace, I don't know. So I'm not like that kind of man. So little bit. So, but I explain Dhruva pure Kannada.
Okay.
It's ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ. So ಧ್ರುವಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಇಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ, ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ನೋಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಆಲ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್, ಧ್ರುವ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೂವಿನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೆಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಒಂದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು, ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡೋಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಪರೇಟ್, ತುಂಬ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
You know, I love to entertain and I love to make the audience happy. This character is a very amazing character with a lot of shades. I mean, he's I can't tell you the story, but yeah, I mean, it's a great character to play, and the relationship he has with his wife and with Dhruva, and it's beautiful. That's why it's a unique story, and when I met Prem sir, तो मुझे ही प्रेम हो गया प्रेम सर से.
Sir, you have a long journey in the film industry. When you look at the back, what do you feel? What exactly you ऐसा महसूस होता है मेरा जर्नी देख के, आपका जर्नी से?
अब ऐसा जर्नी देख के महसूस होता है कि मुझे ऑडियंस से इतना प्यार मिलता है, और उसके लिए आई थैंक गॉड कि आप सब लोग इतना मुझे प्यार करते हो, इतनी इज्जत देते हो, ताकि मैं 40 40 I don't know how many 45 years I think तक टिका रहा हूँ. Thank you for all the love. Thank you.
Shilpa ma'am,
Sanjay,
Shilpa ma'am, here,
sir,
here
you have
ma'am.
a very long connect with Telugu
Here,
cinema.
look at ma'am.
You have a very long connect with the Telugu cinema. Specifically, when you did a guest role in Chandralekha with Nagarjuna sir, very long back. So post then you acted with Ram in Double Smart. So what took you so long to come to Telugu cinema or South cinema?
I mean, see, I mean, yeah, Chandralekha was, Nag is a very, very close friend, like a brother. And he asked me to do it, so I did it. And of course, Ram is such a wonderful boy, and he is also like a, really like a younger brother to me. But I mean, it took me so much time क्योंकि आप लोग ने बुलाया नहीं यार. आप बुलाओ मैं आ जाऊँगा.
तो शिल्पा शेट्टी में शिल्पा तो आपने भी हिंदी में तेलुगु में 3 मूवी किया था विद मोहन बाबू सर एंड बालकृष्ण एंड वेंकटेश
With Nag.
yeah Nag. 4 movies. Okay, so post that post your last film released in Telugu, since then haven't you got any other opportunity from Telugu industry?
Nothing great came up, and then I stopped working because then I got married and I had children, so I had anyways reduced on the number of films, so I became a little selective. The reason for me wanting to do a film is that it has to excite me, and that is why I agreed to do Satyavati's part in KD. The film overall, and it just can't be only my character, the film has to be entertaining and, you know, massy. I've always been a massy heroine, and it's the masses that has made me. So I always try to do things that, you know, appeals to the masses. So my selection of movies will always be based on that.
Now you are okay to do
I have
Telugu
always been open to do any kind of cinema. It should just be interesting. For me, not as an actor, but as an audience first.
संजय
So,
सर
yeah.
संजय सर बोलते बोलते बोला कि यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते, बोलते बॉलीवुड में पैशन लेके जाते बोल के बोले थे सिनेमा के लिए. बॉलीवुड में यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते घर को, बोले तो तुम पैशन लेके जाते सिनेमा के ऊपर का बोले था. सिनेमा के ऊपर जितना पैशन यहाँ पे है वो बॉलीवुड में मिस हो रहा बोल के. तो क्या मिस हो रहा है सर एग्जैक्टली बॉलीवुड में? आप क्या देखे, आप इतना सारा जर्नी है आपका.
मुझे ये दिख रहा है कि जब मैं रॉकी जब 1979 में बनी और तब से लेके मैं इंडस्ट्री में रहा हूँ, एंड मैंने सब लोगों के साथ काम किया, धर्म जी के साथ, अमित जी के साथ, संजीव कुमार साहब, दिलीप साहब, सब के साथ, और बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया. उस वक्त उनके लिए पिक्चर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थी, उस वक्त उनके लिए स्क्रिप्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था, म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थे, और हर आदमी का एक से होता था स्क्रिप्ट पे. यू नो आजकल हम लोग के वहाँ क्या हो गया है कि पेपर पे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखा जाता है, पेपर पे नंबर्स लिखे जाते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
एग्जैक्टली.
And that is what is missing, and I wish it comes back. The passion, the drive for cinema, the passion to work. मतलब कि वास्तव में मैंने I worked continuously for 3 days without sleep.
वाओ.
That was the passion from Mahesh Manjrekar also, from me, from everybody. You know, तो वो सेट कंप्लीट करना ही था और हम लोग को मज़ा आया करते हुए. That's what I mean.
सर आपका एक ही दिन में राजा साहब और दुनियादार 2 भी एक ही वन डे रिलीज, सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है.
सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि ना हो. आई विल ट्राई बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी शुड गेट अ चांस.
सर साउथ सिनेमा में आजकल जो वर्ल्ड सेट हो रहा है, एक सेटअप सेट हो रहा है, सेटअप जो अभी एक केडी में एक नया एक एरा दिख रहा है. आप जो केजीएफ के थे एक वाइकिंग्स का गेटअप में एक सेपरेट वर्ल्ड, एक सेपरेट सेटअप दिख रहा है. ऐसा एक एक मूवी में एक एक सेटअप दिख रहा है. तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है सर? ऐसे सेटअप बनाना, एक ह्यूज स्केल में बनाना.
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि एटलीस्ट हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक अपना यूनिवर्स बनाए, अपना एक वर्ल्ड बनाए. एंड हाँ, केजीएफ में आपने देखा है, एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक हॉलीवुड ने कैसे मार्वल बनाया या अवेंजर्स क्यों नहीं हम लोग कर सकते हैं. We've got beautiful technicians, we've got amazing directors, we've got amazing actors, and we've got everything. So let's all of us, I think the full industry from all over India should get together and make one explosive film, and Hollywood को भी दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Mr. Dhruv
सर संजू सर
यही मैसेज एज अ सीनियर कहना चाहता हूँ. नंबर वन इज कि पहले तो एक अच्छा इंसान बनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, मेहनत करो, पैसे के पीछे मत भागोगे, क्योंकि जितना आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे उतना वो पैसा आगे भागेगा. तो पैसा इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग. इट्स योर परफॉर्मेंस, इट्स योर वर्क, इट्स योर डेडिकेशन. एंड आई थिंक दे शुड फॉलो दैट. क्योंकि हम लोग जैसे ध्रुवा ने कहा, इट्स नॉट अ वी ऑल हैव गॉन थ्रू आवर वेरी लो फेजेस इन आवर लाइफ टू रीच वेयर वी हैव रीच्ड. तो मतलब कि ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि 3-4 पिक्चर आ गए फिर आदमी गायब है. You got to stay here for, like Amit ji is there, like all of us, 40 years, 50 years. Look at Chiranjeevi sir, look at Rajni sir. Thank you.
Mr. Dhruv Sacha. Dhruv, right now the pan-Indian release is a very common thing for almost all the films releasing in any of the industry. Thanks to Bahubali, almost it completed decade today. So how do you think that KD will fit that pan-Indian release kind of, not only because of the casting, the subject and the connectivity and the relatability of the subject. At the same time, how do you look at yourself being a pan-Indian actor connecting to the all set of audience, could be regional or the rural audience?
So the subject itself is universal thought. So it can be related to everybody. And I don't want to become a pan-Indian star, nothing. I just want to be a character in that movie. So if it really works, everybody will watch me, and that is how pan-India movies works. So I think I'll just go with the directors. I just want to be a director's actor. So I'm not running behind becoming a pan-Indian star, nothing like that, sir. I just want to be a director's actor. That is what I'm focusing on. Thank you.
Dhruv sir, your belt is nice, sir.
Hugo Boss.
Boss.
Yeah, sir. It is Hugo Boss
Okay.
company, thank you.
Okay. Sir, what was the toughest part in the movie, sir?
Fight sequence, sir. I just want to tell you, I have worked for 6 movies, sir. I have seen 3 actors will not see monitors after the shot. One is Arjun Sarja, that is my uncle. Second is Rashmika Mandana, she won't see monitors. And third is Sanjay Dutt, sir. Actually, Sanjay Dutt, sir, was not well. And there was a sequence hitting the bottle to the head. He did thrice or 4 times, I think. Yeah, sir didn't see the shot, and I was next to him. Director, all of a sudden, he came and he was like, "Baba, horrible shot, Baba, horrible shot, Baba." And I was like, okay. Baba was like, okay. Anna, that is not horrible, that is phenomenal, he's trying to say. So, see, actually, we thoroughly enjoyed the shoot. Frankly, my director is the hero of this movie. Genuinely. Because he actually, ma'am, you remember, he used to show that, hey, Ingvarra, he used to enact our character, and he used to show us, this is how you should act, this is how you should look. So copying him was the difficult thing in the entire movie, sir. So I enacted his character actually.
Arjun Sarja is the great action hero. What kind of support and suggestions given for you?
Only 3 things he have told me, sir, in the initial days. Not to lie, not to cheat, and be honest. That's all he taught me.